Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the fourth problem onwards. I thought that I told up to third problem. Okay, fourth problem onwards will go for 8th class. Fourth problem will say it. A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. A number is divided into two parts. One number is that number he did not give, but it divided into how many parts? Two parts. Such that one part is 10 more than the other. So one part of a number, if you assume as x, so other part will be other part of a number. 10 more than this he given. More than means you have to add. Times means you have to do multiplication. One number is x means the other number is 10 plus x. If the two parts are in the ratio of 5:3, say here, ratio of parts is how much they given? 5:3. Find the number and the two parts. Find the number and also two parts. So here we can do the same problem in so many methods. Okay. Now we will do this in ratios. Okay. 5:3 is equals to, in this big number is x plus 10. X plus 10 is to x. Why I took x plus 10 first is 5:3. In this big number is 5. Smaller number is 3. In this 2, big number is x plus 10. Smaller number is x. I took like that. Now, two ratios equated means they are in proportion, you can write it. They are in proportion. They are in proportion. Okay. Proportion means product of means is equals to product of extremes. 3 and x plus 10 are called means because they are in middle. 5 and x are extremes because they are outside. So product of means this 3 into means I am keeping brackets here, x plus 10. Product of means is equals to product of extremes, 5 into x. So here with the 3, a into b plus c, it is a distributive property. 3 into x plus 3 into 10 is equals to 5 into x. Now I am taking variables to one side and numbers to one side. Then plus 3x if you take to this side, 30 is here, 5x minus 3x. From 5x if you subtract 3x, 2x will come. 2x is equals to 30. Then x is equal to 30 divided by 2. Means x is equals to how much here? 15. X equals to 15. One number is how much here? 15. What is the other number? Other number what I said? 10 more than this number. So for this if you add 10 you are getting 25. One number is 15, the other number is 25. So if you take ratio, big number first, 25 is to 15. Both will go in 5 table. 5 5 is 5 3 is. So do you got 5:3 or not? So the problem is correct. Now we will go for next problem. This is problem number is, it is fourth one. Okay. Now we will go for fifth question. What is fifth question? When I triple a certain number and add 2, I get the same answer as I do when I subtract the number from 50. Find the number. So when I triple a certain number, we don't know the number. So let the number be. Let the number be. What you have to assume? X. Let the number be x. Triple the number. Triple the number means you should multiply the number with 3x. Okay. If when I triple certain number and add 2, so for this triple number I should add 2. So I got some answer or not? I get the same answer. So if I done like this, I will get some answer. What answer I got it? So if I do this also, I got same answer he is saying. What he done? I get the same answer as I do when I subtract the number from 50. From 50, if he subtracted this number, how much answer will come? This also we got same answer he said. So entire question I wrote in mathematical form. Now bring variables to one side, constant to one side. 3x is there, minus x bring to here x, 50 plus 2 take to this side, minus 2. 3x plus x is 4x. From 50 subtract 2, you are getting 48. X equals to 48 by 4, it is 12. X equals to how much you got here? 12. Okay. Next now, sixth question. So it is sixth question answer. Whether it is right or wrong, you can check it. How to do checking? From 50, if you subtract 12, how much answer you will get it? Very good, 38. 50 minus 12 is 38 you are getting. Here, come here, 3 12s are 36 plus 2, 38. So both, if you do like this or like this, you are getting same answer. So our answer is correct. Next we will go with the next problem. What is the next problem? See it once. What is this? Sixth question. Mary is twice older than her sister. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years' time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Find how old are they both now. So here present tense will be there. Okay. Mary is twice older than her sister. Let present age of Mary's sister. Mary's sister. You can assume X years or not. Then present age of Mary. Because she told twice her age or not. 2x. These two are present ages. So next, if you read the question, what he said, in 5 years' time. See, now if your age is, let it be 13 years. In 5 years' time, after 5 years, now it is 13. After 5 years, how much age you will be having? Means now present is 13 plus in 5 years. 5 you have to add, then 18 years will be. Like that, present age is present age of Mary's sister is X years. So after 5 years, sister's age will be, now it is X. After 5 years, her age will be X plus 5. After 5 years, Mary's age will be 2x plus 5. Okay. He gave relation between these two. What he given here relation? She will be 2 years older than her sister. She will be 2 years older than her sister. So, Mary's age will be, how much age her sister is there? For that, if you add 2 years, Mary's age will come. He given like this. Okay. Now, bring variables to one side, constant to one side. 2x is there. This plus 6 you have to take this side, minus x. 5 plus 2 is 7. This plus 5 you have to take this side, minus 5. 2x minus x is how much? X is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. So how much you got here? X is equals to 2. What is x here? Present age of Mary's sister. So present age is 2 years. Then Mary's age will be how much here? 2 2s are 4 years. 2 years, 4 years. Twice is there. Next now, after 5 years. After 5 years, sister's age will be 2 plus 5, 7 years. And Mary's age after 5 years is 4 plus 5, 9. Then what in problem they said is just after 5 years, 2 years more than her age. For 7, if you add 2, are you getting a Mary's age or not? So it is verified. So this problem is correct. Now we'll go with the 7th problem. See once 7th problem. In 5 years' time, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? Here, 2 persons are not there, only 1 person is there. So here what you have to do is, let the question number is 7th one. Let Reshma's present is assume as x years. Reshma's present is you are assuming as x years. So Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. So in 5 years time, Reshma's age will be, in 5 years time means, in previous problem I said 5 years time means you have to add 5. X plus 5 years it becomes. Next, 9 years ago, present age is x. So Reshma's age 9 years ago. Now x years, 9 years ago, x minus 9 years it will be. He gave relation between these two. What he said here? In 5 years time, she will be 2 years older than her. Okay. Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. 9 years ago, how much age she is? For this 3 times will be when after 5 years her age will be there. See here, I will read again once more. Reshma will be 3 times old as. Reshma will be 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. 9 years ago, how much age is there? That if you multiply with 3, in 5 years, how much age she will get it? That will be equal. Okay. Now, if you multiply 3 into x is 3x, 3 into minus 9 is minus 27, x plus 5, and bring x to this side, 3x minus x is equals to, bring 27 to that side, 27 plus 5, 3x minus x is 2x is equals to 32, x equals to 32 by 2 means 16. So, present age of Reshma is 16 years. Whether it is correct or not, you can check at that time only. When you are writing examination, at that time only you can check it. How you have to check? Now present age is 16 years. After 5 years, how much age you will become? She will get it. 16 plus 5, 21. Okay. Next, now 16 years. 9 years ago, 6 years ago 10. 9 years ago 7. 7 years. This, if you multiply with 3, are you getting 21 or not? 3 times age. 3 into 7. Okay, you got like this. Now, 8th problem. This is up to here only. Next we'll go for the 9th question. Let's see 8th question here. A town's population increased by 1200 people. Let let present town's population assume as x members are there. Okay, what he done, he increased the population by 1200 people. After increase, the population becomes how much here? X plus 1200, because 1200 people were added, and then this new population decreased 11%. Decreased per population. Decreased population. %11 of x plus 1200. Okay. Now what you have to do is, this much is decreased, but how much is present means, after decreasing you have x plus 1200. Okay, this minus of 11% means 11 by 100 into x plus 1200. Okay, next now what you have, this if you want to simplify it, x plus 1200 you can take as common or not? X plus 1200 I am taking as common. Then I have 1 minus 11 by 100. So x plus 1200 same. This is 100 minus 11 by 100. 100 minus 11 by 100 means x plus 1200 89 by 100. This leave it out. This is the population after decreasing 11%. Then now here he given some relation here. The town now had 32 less people than it did before the 1200 increase. Now the town now had 32 less people than it did before the 1200 increase. Before 1200 increase, the population is x or not? Okay. Now this population is having 32 less people. Means you should subtract 32 here. Now if you compare this population with this population, 32 people will be less. Now you have to solve for x here. Okay, I'll rub this one. Now we'll solve it. See, solving just minus 32 take this side. X plus 1200 is there like this only, and here it is 89 by 100. This minus 32 I took to this side. X plus 32. Okay. Now what I am doing is x plus 1200 I am keeping here only into 89 is equals to this 100 I take this side. X plus 32 into 100. Now still I should do multiplication here. What is this multiplication? 89 into x is 89x. Okay. 89 into 12. 12 nines are 108. 12 eights are 96 plus 10, 106. So you are getting 106800. Here it is 100x plus 3200. Now what you have to do is bring variables to one side. Here 106800, 100x. Okay, minus 3200 is equals to 100x minus 89x. So if you do subtraction, you are getting 11x here. Okay, this subtraction 10 minus 3200. 0, 0, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 minus 3 is 3, 0, 1. So you are getting here 103600. Now x 103600 divided by 11 is equals to x. Now you should do division here. 11 ones are 11 nines are how much? 99. Means 4 will be there. you are not getting exact answer. So it is 9418 point something you are getting. It is approximately 9,000. In textbook they given 10,000. In textbook they given 10,000. Leave it out. It is the procedure. Tomorrow or next class we'll see it. Thank you.